Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $2.1740. Okay, and chances are very high that if the price keep moving below this level, because see there is a clear pattern towards downside. If you look at this particular pattern is also downside. If you look at from this particular pattern, the downfall we can see, overall trend is continuously downside. Okay, and this trend being seen from May of 2022 after this high has made. Okay, because see after 2020 this is the period where people has made a lot good money. Okay, and as soon as it made a high, it went down. Okay, what people might be thinking at this particular level, that it can go again upside, but it didn't sustain because of the war and situation has come, and then it was continuously down. That is where people started thinking that it will go upside, and it went down, and where the people have lost money. Otherwise, what you should have done, always remember to trail the SL. If you're trailing your SL, it will always save your money. Okay, and if you are saving your capital and making and accumulating the profit, you will always be in the positive side. Okay, and your confidence will also build. Never try to average when you are in loss. Okay, always remember this, and always try to do 70% rule, so that suppose if you are gaining 100% or whatever amount of profit you are in, when it comes down to around 70, try to exit it. Okay, if you are not looking for a longer goal, if you are trading. Okay, if you are trading, always try to remember, stop at a level of 70% so you can exit the trade. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price started sustaining above a level of 2.37, which is already being tested here, as you can see looking at this particular chart, it can go upside towards higher side we can see, and it can cross this particular level, but for that it has to sustain this level. Now it is trading below this particular level, a level of 2.17. Okay, if you, so before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Let's talk about the dollar index also. See, dollar index is playing an important role. See, if you look at the dollar index movement day wise, there is a continuous fall we have seen. It has already touched a level of downfall after 27th of July 2023. Okay, and probability will be higher that it can touch its low for around, you can say, this is the month. Okay, from March of 2022, probability is higher it can go below $100 and can touch this particular level. Okay, which we have seen in 2022. So chances can be high that the DXY can go further low. If the DXY is going further low, probability is higher that the natural gas mostly goes upside. But what happens, they both moves in opposite direction. But sometime what, when the dollar started going upside, the natural gas also moves sometime upside. So if this happens sometime, always try to put the SL. But remember, whenever you start your trade, try to put the SL, because see, market is uncertain. If it is not going as per what you have, so the SL will hit, but your capital will be saved, so you can trade the next time. Because see, if your capital is not saved, then how you will trade, that you have to understand. Save your capital and you can make profit. This is what your motto should be. Okay, if you are saving the capital, your profit will be definitely will be there. Okay, now, and once you start in profit, try to trail it. So probability is higher that we can see the dollar index started going, can go below a level of 100 also, if the price started falling below this level, with, because this level is already being tested. Okay, but if the price started going again above a level of around 101.7, and from there a level of 102.7, then there is a probability it can go towards 103.5, and once started going above this level, then a probability of upside we can see. Okay, then only a further upside probability will be there. But if you go, and when the dollar started going upside, we can see the natural gas price will come down. Okay, now coming back on natural gas price, if you look at this particular trend, what we can see, there is a probability of more downside. Okay, so if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come towards its strong support at a level of 2.0486. From there a bounce back can come. But if the price started falling below that particular level, a probability of going towards a level of $1.9415. Okay, if the price started falling below that particular level, we can see it will go towards a level of around $1.83. Okay, if the price started falling below that particular level, chances will be very high it will fall below 1.171, which is already being tested. So chances of falling below a level of 1.61 also we can see. Again I repeat, if the price started falling below this particular level, it can touch a level of $2.0486, and from there a level of 1.9516. If the price started going below this level, chances of touching a level of 1.9 we can see, and from there a level of 1.83, and then it can move below a level of 1.71 and then to a level of 1.61. Keeping that in mind, there will be higher chances as soon as it started going below this level, a level of 1.65, then it can break this particular level of 1.59, and chances of falling further will be there. If the price started falling below a level of $2, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Now understand, whatever news are coming, whatever data is coming, you have to understand one thing: what you are looking here is the real truth. What news you are getting, it might be manipulated, or what effect you have seen, it can come already, because the news can be manipulated. Okay, so you have to understand, looking at the chart, this is the real truth. So trade according to it, invest according to it. So suppose if the price sustained this level or started going above a level of around $2.258, so if the price started sustaining above this level, it can cross a level of $2.3951, which is already being tested. After that, it can cross this level and can go towards $2.7591. Okay, and if the price keep moving above this level, then we can see this trend will form. So chances of going towards a level of around 3 we can see. And as soon as the price of dollar started, the natural gas started going above $3, a further upside movement we can see, and chances of crossing a level of around 3.2 will be there. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside movement will be there in the price of natural gas. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.